I'm going to show you how to clean your AirPods Max. I've been using mine in the gym. Today we are going to clean them up so that they can feel fresh. This method is mostly effective with the white version of these things. Let's get started. To clean these things, we are going to start by disconnecting them. You take the caps off. They are magnetic, so they easily come off. And then we also want to take off the rubber band, the headband. And to do that, there is a pin. There is a small hole in here. You just press that, and it should be able to eject. Same thing on this side. You press, and they are free. We're using the Handboost Universal Cleaning Foam and the slightly used toothbrush. Get your foam cleaner. Make sure you shake it. You shake it, and then you just spray. Do the thing. Do the thing. If you look at the back, you can see the dirt coming out from that side. And I recommend you always get the black ones. The white ones, you will clean them every weekend. So, just to check. See, look. Close. You can see that this is a lot more darker than this, which has accumulated a lot of dust in it. That is clean. This is unclean. Just wipe off the dust that might have accumulated. Alright, our headphones are clean, so to put them back, all you have to do is to put them back, all you do is get this and slide it in here. Test it and twist it and put it in. Twist until you hear a click, and it should be good to go. Now, AirPods are back, and then you get this, slap it on, and you're good to go. Headphones are clean. They're back as new. So that has been how to clean your AirPods. See you in the next video.